Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Surface tension looks tricky, but this is quick. We trace why water molecules attract each other and match that idea to the right choice. Surface tension is created by cohesion, which means water molecules pull on other water molecules, especially at the surface where that inward attraction creates a tight, stretched layer. Now ask what causes that cohesion. Water molecules attract because the electrons between hydrogen and oxygen are shared unequally, giving water partial charges that pull neighboring molecules together. That unequal sharing makes water polar, and polarity explains the intermolecular attraction causing surface tension, so the best answer here is option B. Well done! Option B. Scan now. Avoid rushing past charge ideas. Trust what is given and check each step before locking your answer.